Feeling confident about your finances is within reach. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, mastering money management is the first step towards a secure future. Bermuda College, in partnership with CFA Society Bermuda, offers a comprehensive financial literacy course. This three-part series is designed to build practical financial skills and empower you to take control. Part 1, The Basics of Budgeting and Saving, helps you define your financial goals, understand key terms, and build a solid budget. Part 2, Income, Expenses, and Debt, teaches you to optimize your funds, prioritize expenses, and differentiate between good and bad debt to avoid common mistakes. Finally, Part 3, Planning for Your Retirement, guides you through setting retirement goals, implementing savings programs, exploring income sources, and understanding Bermuda's national pension scheme. This series builds financial resilience and reduces stress around money. Upon completing this series of workshops, you'll receive a certificate marking your commitment to a brighter financial future. It's never too soon nor too late to invest in yourself. The course is funded thanks to generosity of HSBC. Visit college.bm to learn more about the financial literacy course and apply for admissions today. For inquiries, email apace@college.bm. Start building your financial resilience with Bermuda College.